How to log out of YouTube on both Android and iOS, and that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So to log out of YouTube on both Android and iOS, what you have to do is you have to open your YouTube app, and when you open your YouTube app, so you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then here you can see the arrow pointing to the right. So when you can see the arrow pointing to the right, you can click on this, and here you can see all your accounts list. You can switch to the whenever account that you want to log out, and here you can see the option. I am switched to the this account. Now what you have to do is you have to go back to your home screen, and then long hold the YouTube app, or you can also go to the settings, and then you have to scroll down to the apps, and then click on the apps, then click on the manage apps. After that, in the search you have to type the YouTube, and then click on the YouTube, and then in the storage click on the storage button, and here you can see the clear all data option. Click on the clear all data, and then again click on the clear all data, and here you can see the option of delete all data. Then it will saying that if you delete all data, then your also all app data including file settings, account databases and cache will be permanently deleted. So if you make sure you want to log out of YouTube app, you have to do this process. So click on the OK, and it will delete all data. And when you go back to your YouTube app, so it will open like this, and here you have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and again click on this arrow, and here you can see the sign out option in the bottom left corner. So you can see the sign out option. Click on the sign out option, and when you sign out from this account, then so that's basically that how you can sign out of your account. So when you click on your profile icon, then you can see it is ask you to sign in. So it means you have signed out from your YouTube app. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.